What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today we are taking a look at the SoundPeats clear wireless earbuds. Big shout out to SoundPeats for sending these over. Pretty excited to be working with them. Now you can pick these up on Amazon.com. The price is going to range anywhere from $29.99 to $32.99. Depends on which color you get. Now they're also offering a 30% discount coupon that you can apply as well. Now these come in white, blue, beige, and black. And some of the features and details. Now these have 12mm drivers. They have 40-hour playtime. That's 7 hours per charge. And the case has SOS. You got dual mics with ENC for clear calls. You got app control, Bluetooth 5.3, and game mode with low latency up to 90 milliseconds. So those are a few of the features and details. Here's the packaging that it comes in. Got a nice picture of the earbud there. It says clear there. On this side, hear your imagination. And then this side is going to give you some of those same specs. 12mm dynamic drivers, 40 hours playtime, dual mic for noise cancellation. And then on the back, you get some of your frequency response range and stuff like that. You guys can pause that and read it yourself. Let's go ahead and get into the box. Check these out. So I don't think I've worked with SoundPeats before. If I have, it's been a long time. But I have purchased their earbuds in the past, and I do like them. So I'm going to check these out. Get this out of the way. And here we go. So open up the packaging. We got, let's see what's in this. Gonna have our paperwork and stuff here, guys. Normal stuff here. So you got your user's guide. And this is gonna be your safety and warranty stuff here. That is pretty much it in there. Let's get this over to the side. And we got our earbuds here. Let's go ahead and pull these out. See if there's anything else in the packaging. But of course there is, Will. So we got our charging cable. Let's see what this is. All right, so the charging cable is going to be USB-C to USB-A. And then what do we have over here? These are going to be the different size ear tips. And probably could have opened that other one the same way, but I went all out on it. All right, so looks like we're gonna have different sizes here. So we got two different sizes here, look like medium and large. And they do have a nice blue color on them. That is dope. All right, so let's take a look at the earbuds here. All right, so a nice shiny case. Clear see-through, if you guys can see that. I'm trying to get that reflection off of there, but you can see the buds in there. And here's the back. It does have SoundPeats on the back. There's your Type-C charging port. And look like a pairing button right here as well. So let's go ahead, and there's your LED light right there. Let's go ahead and open this case up. And there are the buds. See if they're magnetized. Yes, they are magnetized. You do have... Take these out. There's the inside of the case. Clear black case. I do like this. So these are the black ones. As you guys see, here it is. There's a little tape there to keep them from being activated. But here it is. Look like you got their logo on here. And this may be a microphone. It has two mics. So here it is. Very nice. This one is marked left. Let's get this one up, take a look at it. And this one is marked right. So there they are. Very nice size, not too big. I'm going to compare them to my AirPods Pro in a minute as far as the size on them. But here they are, guys. That is that. And like I said, here they are in the case. Let's get them back in there. Let's see how they go here. So very easy. They just go right to the outside of it, just like that. And there it is. This is very tiny, man. Very tiny case. Fit in your pocket very easily. And it stays closed, just shaking it. So let's go ahead and get these paired up and take a look at the app next. All right, guys, so we're back in. I have these paired with my Google Pixel Fold. Download the SoundPeats app. Pretty easy to get this connected and paired. If you go into your Bluetooth settings, let's go here. You guys see SoundPeats Clear right there. Gonna tell you active and 100% battery. Get the same thing here. You can forget it, disconnect it. You got your spatial audio toggle, HD audio, AAC toggle, phone calls toggle, media audio toggle, allow access to contacts and call history toggle there. So when you go into the actual app, you're gonna see that they're showing the battery percentage on both of them there. Got a little hamburger menu over here. It's going to give you your personal information there, your firmware. You can update your firmware, message, set, and about, and layout. You go here. This is some of your simple controls, volume up and down. You got your adaptive EQ right here. You can do this test. I did that. Or you got your presets here. So you got SoundPeats Classic, Bass Boost, Bass Reduction, Electronic, Rock and Roll, Folk, Treble Enhancing, Pop, and Classical Music. You also have a custom equalizer that you can use here as well. Set your music just like you like. You got game mode and disable all functions of touch keys. And then this last page here, this is where you can go check out, purchase some more of their earbuds. So that is pretty much the app. Not too, it's not really robust, but there are things there that you need and can use. So I'm going to use these for a little while. I did change out the tips, got smaller tips on here, and do want to take a look at the controls here, touch controls. So let's get this to focus. There it is. So you see your power on, power off, your pause, play, volume down, volume up, next track, the previous track, answer, hang up phone calls, reject phone calls, switch between two calls, enter pairing mode, manually and activate voice assistant, enter gaming mode. So those are the controls, touch controls right there. I'll talk about those a little bit more after I use this for a little bit. So I'm gonna come back. It'll be a day later after I use these overnight at work. I'll let you guys know what I think about them. All right, guys, so we're back in. I used these last night at work and a little bit today. And I have to say that these are excellent for the price, $29, $30. Can't go wrong with these. And as you guys see, they work with iOS and Android. I also have paired them with my iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it has been great. So comfort and fit with these. Once I got the right size earbuds from earbud tips for my ears, these are very comfortable. I feel like I can wear these all day. These don't have ANC or transparency mode, so very important that you get the right size tips on these to get the right sealed off and an excellent sound from them. Now, when you first put these in your ear, you're going to get a audible that's letting you know that they're connected, and then you're ready to go. So in my opinion, from a non-audiophile person, these have excellent bass. These are bass prominent, meaning that no matter what I use, all of the presets, even the custom EQ, I was never ever able to get the highs and mids wherever I wanted them. Bass always prevailed. It was always prominent on these. So if you're someone who likes bass, then these are going to be the ones for you. Now, I'm not an audiophile, like I said, but in my opinion, for my ears, they feel like they were bass heavy. I use these for listening to different genres of music, and they sound great, like I said, but you're going to get a lot of bass in these. So just know that they are bass heavy. So playing games, I put these in the gaming mode. played several different games throughout the night, and there was no latency at all. As far as I could tell, the gunfire, the background music, whatever was going on in the game, everything was in tune, nothing out of line, nothing falling behind. They were great. Now, usually for phone calls, I use only phone calls on my iPhone 15 Pro Max, and they were great. No one questioned whether I was using earbuds or what was going on with my phone. It was just great, and I could hear them as very well as well. Now, as far as the app on the iPhone, there was no difference than the app on the Android. The interface was just the same, everything exactly the same. So there's no issue with compatibility between iOS and Android. For watching movies, I watch half of a movie. All the dialogue was in sync, background music, explosions, whatever was in the movie, all there. I watched a bunch of YouTube videos, and no issues with latency at all. They sound great. Look like the battery life is going to be as advertised, 7 hours. Depends on what you're doing with them, but I've barely lost any battery life using these. The touch controls on here are very easy. Once you get used to the different gestures, double tapping for this, single tap for that, triple tap for that. You can ask your questions through Siri, through Google Assistant, and that all works great. So touch controls were very nice. You're going to touch it in this area right here. So for lowering your volume and different things like that, you're not going to have any issues touching, and it works great. I was surprised that it worked that well. So these also are IPX water resistant, so sweat. If you give these to a kid and they drop them and get a little water on them, then you should be great with those as well. Now do a little size comparison, let you guys know or see just how the size of these and what they look like. Here they are, just size comparison now with the Apple AirPods Pro. So as you guys see, these are pretty much the same size as the AirPod Pro. Pretty similar design too, as you guys see here, right there. So they're not huge. They're very lightweight. I feel like I could wear these all day. Very comfortable, no ear fatigue or anything like that. So yeah, man, I think these are great for the price. Looking forward to reviewing some more, testing out and reviewing some more of SoundPeats earbuds. These are SoundPeats Clear. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick these up. Will H, I'm out.